Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Gmail app on your iPhone. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the Search tab at the bottom. Now, type Gmail in the search bar and press Search. From the results, tap on the official Gmail app by Google. Next, tap on the Get button, or the download icon if you've installed it before. You may be asked to confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once you confirm, the app will start downloading and installing automatically. Just wait a few seconds for it to finish. When it's done, the button will change to Open. You can tap it to launch the app right away. Or, go back to your home screen and tap on the Gmail icon. Now you can sign in with your Google account and start sending and receiving emails. And that's it. Gmail is now installed on your iPhone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.